Pongo pygmaeus, also known as the orangutan, a species that is found only in Indonesia. Orangutans are much like humans. For example, they express their emotions like we do. Orangutans have a diet that consists of leaves, bark, insects, and fruit that we would view as unripe. Orangutans are considered as omnivores, but they rarely eat meat.
Orangutans live their lives quietly in trees away from predators, since all their predators are on the ground, including tigers, leopards, and humans. But since orangutans live a solitary lifestyle, there is the intense competition for food. These species once roamed over thousands of miles across rainforests in Southeast Asia, but now they're restricted to only 2 islands since they have approximately lost 80% of their habitat in the last 20 years. The carbon and hydroxide cycles are essential to orangutans, since carbon is the key to building life and water is also needed for survival. In Borneo and Sumatra, trees are being cut down for logs by humans. Because of that, orangutan population has decreased by 50% during the past decade. Orangutans depend on a lot of fruit. The reason why that is so important is because they have an enormous influence on spreading those seeds in the environment. If orangutans were going to go extinct, it would affect many other animals that rely on the fruit in their diet. Orangutans must know how to climb, or else they will not be able to survive and get away from predators. For example, this baby orangutan is about to do his first climb. He must learn from his mother and soon become an expert for him to survive in the wild. The solution to solve the human problem is that we should try and protect these animals from hunting and selling them on the internet, and stop cutting down trees illegally. The pros are that we can protect the orangutan and protect the ecosystem in the southeast side of Asia. The con is that the poachers and other people will not have orangutans as pets, which is actually pretty bad. So we must protect these orangutans, not just for them or for us, but we must also protect them for our children and for them to see the orangutans in the wild instead of reading how they got extinct. And we must protect that ecosystem. If they go extinct, the ecosystem there will go extinct, and we will not have any animals there left.